If you want to customize quick settings or the control center on Samsung Galaxy A36 5G, then first of all we need to of course go to the quick center, and now we can simply press this pen icon in the top right corner. This allows you to change orders of pretty much everything. So for example, we can change the order of these buttons, of these groups, and we can move them up and down. In order to do so, you need to press and hold and then drag it around in order to change the order. You can also press on edit here on this main panel with different buttons. And of course we can decide what we want to have here. So we can tap on the buttons that we have here in order to remove them, for example. And we can go through available buttons in order to add a new button. So for example, I'm gonna add create node. There we go. We can also press and hold and then drag it in order to change the position of that button. And then we can press done in the top right corner in order to save it, and then press again in the top right corner to be done with editing. But also, before we actually stop editing, before we stop customizing, over here on the left side we also have panel settings where we can switch between the separate and together. The together option allows you to have the old style, the old system back, where you have notifications and the main buttons in one place. And in addition to that, we have some additional options here at the bottom as well, depending on the selected choice. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!